Alright, so we're getting ready to get rolling on our step 202. In step 202, we're going to use some of the skills that we've learned at this point, how to use an array, write a function, and get our dynamic menu started. Currently, where we're at, if you recall from the last lesson, where we took our Love PHP, Love HTML, Who HTML, renamed it to Love PHP, started setting them up as PHP pages and including the header and footer, and we're going to continue to move ahead, and it doesn't look like much has changed, but when you go ahead and you start the project, you'll quickly realize that a lot has changed. At this point, we went ahead and we created two new files in our include, which is the functions and the menu data.php files. The functions, we're going to actually start using this as a library, and our first library item in here is going to be our function menu builder, in which we have a parameter where we're going to pass an argument for an array, an object, into the menu builder, and we're going to have it dynamically build the menu based on what is inside that array. Inside that array is simply, we're just starting out with a multi-dimensional array to begin laying out the menu. Eventually we'll actually move from an array to pulling out data from a database, which will build this array dynamically for us. Additionally, we're going to pull these files into the top of our header include file, because that file will essentially be included everywhere in our website, and we want this data and these functions to be available everywhere we go on our website. Lastly, in this step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace the entire nav, the content, the inner HTML of the nav, with simply calling that menu builder and passing in these menu items. And then in our next step, we'll continue to build on this. So I look forward to getting started with you, and we will get going in the next video.